I am Severus Snape, Potions Master. Potter, list for me the 3 gaseous laws of wizardry.
Oh, Professor, I know.
Bloody hell! What are those?
I don't know, for Tommy's sock's sake.
Well then, you can make this potion while attempting to use the laws. Begin!
What's going on?
What are we doing?
Harry, Ron, when you put the lid on the cauldron, the volume of the gases decreased. Therefore, the pressure increased and the potion exploded. Don't you remember studying Boyle's law?
What are you dunderheads muttering about? Get back to work!
Huh?
Oh! So we should turn the heat up under the cauldron.
Ron, Harry, turning the temperature up isn't going to help either. Don't you remember Gay-Lussac's law? P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2, which means that turning up the heat also caused the pressure to increase. You guys really need to pay attention to the gaseous laws of wizardry.
Oh!
You know what, Harry? We need a bigger cauldron!
A bigger cauldron?
A bigger cauldron!
Yay! Ah!
Charles's law, Harry. A bigger volume means a higher temperature.
Yay! We did it!
Everything's so much easier when we use the gaseous laws of wizardry.
And I only blew up 3 cauldrons this time. You know, you could have used the combined gas law, and you wouldn't have to have gone through any of this mess.
Well, now that you have all learned the gaseous laws of wizardry, get out of my classroom!